Yes, good afternoon po mga kapatid, mga ka-Scorpio. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Scorpio 16. Ngayon pong Wednesday, try po natin pumunta sa coronation night ng Miss BIcolandia ngayong gabi, 7 PM sa Jesse M. Robredo Coliseum sa Naga City po. So maya maya po, samahan niyo po ako. Guys, nandito na tayo sa sa Jesse Robredo Coliseum. Maghihintay na lang tayo na mag-start ang program dito sa Miss BIcolandia. So, antabayanan po natin.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Your witnesses, 20 gorgeous ladies, one golden crown, live from the Jesse M. Robredo Coliseum in Naga City. This is the longest running and most prestigious pageant search in the region. Miss BIcolandia 2022. and dressed during the OPD by Ronald Lina. Ladies, you all look wonderful this evening. So now may we ask our ladies to prepare for the next phase of tonight's event. Why don't we give them a round of applause? Pwede ko bang makita ang mga kandidatong gusto ninyo sa gabi nito? Come on! I see number...
Are you ready? That's the spirit. Now here's how it goes as I announce each of the semi-finalists. Her respective advocacy and profile video will be shown here on our screens. And we will proceed immediately with a casual interview right after the videos are being shown. I would just like to remind each and every one of you that the questions and of course the answers are spontaneous and unrehearsed to determine each candidate's ability to think on their feet quickly. Are you excited?
No.
Let's do this! Talaga namang grabe and yung energy dito umaabaw. Alright! Of course, each of our finalists are evaluated based on her beauty, poise, intelligence, personality, and of course, the content of her answers. So good luck, ladies! In random order, who do you think is our first finalist? First on the list is the lady representing Baras Catanduanes, candidate number 17, Claudine Tirola.
It's from my late grandma, who is always on her deadlift and believed that healing is life even before this term started. I also attribute my positive outlook to her. Lola is a proud Caraston, and Katanduanans are known to be happy people. Abaca production is their main source of livelihood. Being frequented by typhoons, this industry is usually heavily devastated. I stand here to champion our dear Abaca farmers in their hopes to build their resiliency.
Hi, Claudine. How are you feeling that you're the first to be called as part?
I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for allowing me to still be here.
Here is your question for tonight. Failures teach us valuable lessons. Now, what valuable lessons you've learned from failure?
Robot na yan. Wala na nga.
Failure can be defined in so many ways. We just need to see it in different lens. I define failure as an opportunity for me to grow as a person. I define it as an opportunity for me to learn from it and share my learnings to my community. I believe that my purpose in life is for me to connect to others. And I use the failure that I have experienced in order for me to feel the wisdom that I have in order to connect to others.
Thank you so much, Rita. I couldn't agree more. To all our ladies who are part of Miss BIcolandia and to those who didn't get it, it doesn't mean that your dream is over. You are just redirected and it will just open so many golden opportunities for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, that completes our top 10 semi-finalists. Congratulations for a job well done. Of course, let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know you're very excited for this part. While our official
Si 15 lang ang pasakaw.
And we're back.
LC5 na kayo
Ladies
ba?
and gentlemen, before we announce the most important decision of the evening, we would like to thank and congratulate City Government of Naga, Honorable Mayor Nelson S. Legacion, Vice Mayor of Cecilia, Veluz de Asis, and all city officials. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Miss BIcolandia Executive Committee, and the entire production team, all professional pageant practitioners, led by Mr. Russell Isidro Cienfuego. Overall in charge of production, stage director, Mr. Jojo Mangalino, choreographer and technical director, Mr. Andrew Dumao, Richard Plania, Jason Bolati, Cheska Gilling, and Mr. Francis D. Calubake. Our all events continuity writer and hardworking staff of S Events and Style team. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much. Kudos to all of you.
Yes, maraming salamat. And also, we would like to acknowledge our glam teams for making us look good tonight. Of course, to the designer of these exquisite creations we are wearing tonight, Mr. Harold Borlado. Maraming salamat po, sir. And also to my makeup artist, Sean Zanon. Thank you, Sean. To Maki Maginang, my hairstylist, to Jojo Vergayes for the shoes, and Sir Christopher Monar for the earrings tonight.
I'd also like to thank my glam team. So thank you to Sean Correa Zenton for my makeup, Miss Maggie Maginang for my hair, to my stylist Omar Salih, and to my two designers, Sir Rabian and Sir Harold Boralado.
Thank you so much, and I would like also to thank my designers, Abel Bacudio and Nandrich Atelier. Also to my taking care of my skin, CNC Aesthetics Sorsogon branch, and Timog, and also for my smile, my dentist man. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, days, weeks, and even months of preparations all boils down to this historic moment, the announcement of Miss BIcolandia 2022 and her court. We begin with our fourth runner-up. She will receive 25,000 pesos of cash, prize, and sash. And our presenters are Mrs. Chico O. Buenafe, Mr. Mike Powig, Executive Committee Member, Mr. Toti Roca, Executive Member, Judge number 5, Member Board of Judges, Ms. Tiffany Jansen.
Awarding.
I repeat, Mrs. Chico O. Buenafe, Mr. Mike Powig, Mr. Toti Rocha, Judge number 5, Member Board of Judges, Ms. Tiffany Jansen.
Nung top 10, may hapot na sa inda.
Ladies, this is it! The moment you have all been waiting for, all of your hard work, your sleepless nights, it all comes down to this very moment.
And now, ladies, raise yourselves. I'll be announcing the fourth runner-up. Our fourth runner-up is candidate number Number 4, Margaret Bricon.
Congratulations, candidate number 4. Now we will award our third runner-up. Miss BIcolandia 2022 third runner-up will receive 50,000 pesos cash and a sash. And Miss BIcolandia 2022 third runner-up will be awarded by Miss Darlene Joy Boncolamo, together with City Councilor Honorable Gil Rosales, Executive Committee Miss Eloisa Badong, and Miss Universe Philippines Charity, the beautiful Miss Pauline Amelins.
Sing mo lang doon.
Third runner-up is
9.
candidate number
9.
candidate number 5, Iris Oresta.
Bakit siya lang? Ang ganda nung question niya kanina, answer niya kanina sa ano. Si DWNX yan eh.
Yung 9.
9? Si Atty. Atty. Rosales. Ayan. Oying. Ba't laging kapos sa mga ano nila, tela?
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Next up, our Miss BIcolandia 2022 second runner-up will receive 75,000 pesos cash prize and cash to be presented by Dr. Agnes Riveria, the Honorable Joselito S.A. del Rosario, our City Councilor, Honorable Jessie R. Albius, our City Councilor, and Joey Gilas. Are you ready? Our second runner-up is candidate number 15, Jeanette Reyes!
75,000.
Second.
Naka isang gatos na magano siya no. Kanina pa siya eh. Baka itong ano, number 9. Number 9 yan. Ang question niya yung ano eh. Yung sa failures. Ano masasabi niya sa regarding sa failures? Ang ganda ng answer niya.
Na lang saya si 9 sa kasi
12.
12 lugod ka dikit lang sinako kami nako ayun ito mas hospital ko alam ko hindi ano lang siya dikit lang sinabang na ano sa iyo 15 ang gamot ng pasangpulo
There are 2 women left. As a customary, the first runner-up is very important. If for any reason our Miss BIcolandia 2022 cannot fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take over.
The first runner-up will receive 150,000 pesos cash prize and sash to be presented by Attorney Raquel Vergara, our Executive Committee, the Honorable Jose B. Perez, our City Councilor, the Honorable Cecilia B. Veloz de Asis, our City Vice Mayor, and of course, the wonderful Arnold Vegafria.
While our Miss BIcolandia 2022 will receive 250,000 pesos, that's 250,000, and a personalized design crown by Majesty Crown Collections. To present the award, we have for the Package Tour Award, Miss Kay Floriano of Camp Tour Viaje, Honorable Nelson Ligacion, our City Mayor, together with the First Lady, Attorney Marion Ligacion, together also with Judge number 9, Miss Cory Quirino, Miss BIcolandia 2019, Miss Paula Labayo, and the Chairman Executive Committee, Honorable Jose Sonny Ranyola.
Na ano masasabi?
Bicolandia, the moment we are waiting for. I will announce the first winner of Miss BIcolandia 2022, which means the other lady is the first runner-up.
I-announce na.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss BIcolandia 2022 is... Our Miss BIcolandia 2022 is...
Ano candidate mo yun?
Miss BIcolandia 2022 is... Candidate number 9! Rina Adikoden! Which means candidate number 12 is our first runner-up.
Ganda yung symbol niya kanina eh.
Ano yan? Ayan siya.
Hindi talaga complete pag may meron.
Plain siya. Plain siya.
Naga.
Dapat napagsa natin.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss BIcolandia 2022 is candidate number 9, Miss Rina Adikoden.
Yung katabi na